Hey, what do you say? Billy Diamond here, and I just wanted to show you something really quick. So we do a lot of projects where they're completely custom and branded, which you already know. And one of the things that I do is actually custom die cut jobs, things like that. So I wanted to take this opportunity just to show you a job that we just did. This is 30,000 tricks right here. So it yields 60,000 of these things, but 30,000 tricks. And this is a boomerang trick. If you're a magician, you're probably familiar with this, but this is completely customized and branded for a specific client. And I do small runs, I do large ones, and so we just got finished cutting all of these. And I just thought I'd show you because, I often think that people don't know that, listen, maybe you have an idea for a magic trick or a magic trick packaging that needs to be branded, completely customized for you. This is a great opportunity right here because what this particular trick does is it gets people coming right back to you and to your website. There's a nice little QR code there that takes them there to learn a magic trick. So it's a great booking opportunity as well. So it's not like, hey, book me. It's they're on your site already. They learn a little bit more about you. They see a little bit more about what you do. So in this case, this is a magic trick. It's for magicians. But just thought I'd show you some of the different things that we do here, and this is just one of them. And together, combined, we can create something really unique and special to you. And that's the big thing about what I do and what I pride myself in. It's not cookie cutter, so you're not gonna look just like any other magician or other entertainer out there. It's really important because you are uniquely you. And I want you to stay that way. So, anyhow, again, my name is Billy Diamond. If I could be of help to you, please just let me know. Take care. Bye bye.